Well, good morning. I want to show you my newest moto purchase. This is my just purchased 2013 Yamaha TW200. 2013. And for those of you that don't know, it's a 200cc four-stroke single cylinder, weighing in at just a tad under 300 pounds, 5-speed transmission, big fat tractor tire on the back and pretty substantial tire on the front. And other than the 5-speed transmission, I believe these motorcycles have been unchanged since they came out. I think it was in 1988 or 89. I always wanted one of these, and so this is my 20th motorcycle in 13 years that I've been working my way through my bucket list. And its cousin is my V-Star 250, which is currently for sale in excellent condition. That's one's got 10,500 miles on it. This one, are you ready for the mileage on this one, my friends? This is, look at this here. That says 1,191 miles. Crazy, baby. So yeah, very happy to get it. Always wanted one, and now I've had one, and I'll probably keep it for a while and maybe sell it to the next happy moto man or woman. But I am enjoying my Yamahas just as much as I enjoyed my Hondas and Suzukis and Kawasaki's. So there you go. Have a wonderful day, y'all. Don't forget, God loves you just because you're you. That is the truth. You see that?